Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Nexo account to earn interest on crypto assets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Nexo account and start earning interest on your crypto assets, first, navigate to the Nexo website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your account. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Next, check your inbox for a verification email from Nexo. Click the link in that email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Nexo account using your email and password. To enhance your account's security, enable two-factor authentication. In your Nexo dashboard, look for the option to complete your profile. Provide the necessary information, including your full name and country of residence. Upload a government-issued ID for identity verification. Submit your documents and wait for Nexo to process your verification. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Now, navigate to the wallet section of your account. Select the option to deposit crypto assets you wish to earn interest on. Follow the instructions provided to transfer your crypto from another wallet to your Nexo wallet. After the transfer is complete, your assets will appear in your Nexo account. Decide how much of your crypto you want to allocate for earning interest. Choose the interest earning option that suits your needs. Confirm your selection to start earning interest on your crypto assets. Monitor your earnings through your Nexo dashboard regularly. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of earning interest on your crypto with Nexo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.